Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at some backdrops from the Dollar Tree. I've reviewed some Dollar Tree backdrops in a previous video, and I found that they worked well with mini dolls as well as my 1/6 scale dolls, so I'm hoping for the same with these. I also want to see if the backdrops work with the Disney Princess figurines from Dollar Tree, and the backdrops and the figurines are all $1.25. The first backdrop that I want to take a look at is the Disney Little Mermaid. All of the backdrops that I have from the Dollar Tree are made by Color Forms. This one is a sticker story adventure. This comes with over 40 color form stickers and it's reversible with 3 scenes. Here's our backdrop, and on this side there's 2 different underwater scenes. The bottom half has a green background and you can see a pink jellyfish and some blue and pink and some orange coral. This side has a blue background. You see some purple fish and some different colors of sea or ocean plants. And when not folded, all of these backdrops are 11 by 10 inches. And you have a larger picture on the back side. This one has a mainly purple background, but there are hints of pink and peach. And there's several different colors of plants on this side as well. And you have this rocky ledge. My Dollar Tree did not have an Ariel figurine with a mermaid tail. So I'm going to use this one that I got from Walmart, and it was on clearance for $1. Not sure if they're still in stock. It's been a few months since I purchased this. Here's Ariel in front of the backdrop, and it is definitely giving fantasy world. I do wish it was a more realistic backdrop, but the colors do go well with her scales. And with some creative placement, you can also have your larger dolls go diving in a fantasy world. The next backdrop has scenes for Belle from Beauty and the Beast, Ariel from The Little Mermaid, and Tiana from The Princess and the Frog. You get over 40 color form stickers, and there are 3 reversible scenes. You get 3 sheets of stickers with characters from all 3 movies. On this side, you have 2 different scenes. The bottom scene is of Tiana's restaurant, and it looks like it's from the perspective of us looking across the street at the restaurant. You can see there is some kind of metal gate here, so we're closer to that than we are to the restaurant. Dollar Tree does have the Tiana figurine. Here's Tiana in front of her restaurant, and I definitely think that this could work for photographs. And I think a Barbie Extra Mini could also work, as well as the Barbie figurines from the Dollar Tree. Of course, you would have to angle the camera so you don't see the stand. A BarbieLand Mini could also work. You can also use your Barbie stamps from your stamper sets. And for a little size comparison, here are all the figurines. The Barbie Extra Mini is just a little bit over 3 inches, while the Disney figurine and the Barbie figurine are just under 3 inches, closer to 2.5. The stamp is just under 2.5 inches. And of course, the BarbieLand Mini is about 1.5 inches. When you flip this one around, the Tiana scene is on the top, and on the bottom we have a scene of a castle by the ocean. I think this is the Ariel background. And my Dollar Tree had this Ariel figurine that comes in a pink dress. Here's Ariel in front of the backdrop, and because there's so much water in this scene, I could only position her in front of the rock to make it look like she's standing on it. I still think it looks really cute. We can also have Mermaid Ariel sunbathing on the rock. And on the back side, we have a grand staircase, and I apologize for the glare. This scene is definitely for Belle from Beauty and the Beast. My Dollar Tree didn't have Belle, but I did find Cinderella. Here's Cinderella in front of the staircase, and this one was a little bit trickier to film for me. I had to put the doll pretty far out in front of the backdrop because the stairs looked so big if she was directly in front of it. Here I've blurred Cinderella so you can see the distance from her to the backdrop. So there is quite a bit of space here. If I put her right in front of the backdrop, that staircase looks massive. Here's a Chelsea doll in front of the backdrop, and I think she looks pretty good in front of it. So if you are wanting to film your doll closer to the backdrop, a 5-inch doll like Chelsea would probably work out better. I also think a regular sized Barbie could work in front of this space. My prince, where are you? Come out, wherever you are. I'm gonna find you. I'm really, really good at hide and seek. Prince, Prince, where are you? I know this is your favorite game, but come on. It's been 3 days already. Ah. The next backdrop is the Spider-Man one. This is Disney Junior, Marvel, Spidey, and his amazing friends. There are over 40 colorform stickers and 3 reversible scenes. You get 3 sheets of character stickers. And of course, you can use the stickers with these backgrounds. I just choose not to. We have 2 scenes on this side. The bottom scene is of an alleyway. You see a lot of trash cans and trash, and it looks like back doors to apartments. I don't have any Spider-Man figurines, but I do have my Batgirl. And I think this figurine looks pretty good in this scene. She stands 2.5 inches tall. I do like this backdrop, but if I could, I would change the view level. Instead of being on top of another building looking down the alley, I would prefer if it was from the view of standing on the ground looking down the alley. When you turn this background over, the alleyway is on the top, and now we have a street carnival scene. In this scene, you can see some carnival booths and the prizes. There looks to be a roller coaster in the background. There's all these strands of lights going across the street. My Dollar Tree does have Spider-Man figurines, but I did not purchase any of those. They're the same size as the Disney figurines, and you can see she does work in this space. And the smaller Barbie figurines from the Dollar Tree can also work. And a Barbie Extra Mini. On the reverse side, it looks like we're in the city on a sidewalk. You can see high-rise buildings in the back, some taxi cabs, and some park benches. The Spider-Man backdrop I reviewed a few months ago also had 3 different scenes, and each scene had these spider webs in the corner that were kind of hard to crop out of photos. This scene only has the small black spider web that would be easy to crop out. And the figurines from the Dollar Tree definitely work with this backdrop. And the Barbie figurines work also, as well as my Barbie stamp. And the Barbie Extra Minis also work. And BarbieLand Minis can work well with this backdrop also. Prince, oh Prince, I never give up on a challenge. I will find you. Ooh, a Starbucks. I see you. Don't you dare get on that bus. Stop. I win. Wait. The Dollar Tree also has Disney Frozen backgrounds and new figurines, but I did not buy the background because it was a very abstract version of Frozen, and I didn't get the figurines because I still have these that I purchased over a year ago. So I'm just going to make a really quick background for these figurines. I'm going to use 2 pieces of leftover foam board and some leftover paperboard from a Dollar Tree purchase from last year. This is from their Cobblestone Corners Winter Village. It was a 3-pack of the miniature figurines. And the miniatures this year have the same background, but you can see the paper is a lot smaller. Next, I'm going to glue my picture onto some foam board. And for the back piece, it doesn't matter what color it is. My picture is glued onto my foam board, and now I'm going to take my other piece and glue the picture on top. Some miniature white trees from Dollar Tree, and I did take the stand off of mine. I'm just going to poke it through the foam board. Here's the finished backdrop. It's very simple, but I can get a lot of use out of this. I can switch the figurines out to whatever I want. I can use a different Disney princess, like Cinderella, a BarbieLand Mini. I can even use the Dollar Tree cobblestone miniatures. So my friends, let me know what you think about the color form backgrounds from the Dollar Tree and our DIY background. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.